Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add right zoom animation on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, open your CapCut apps, and after this, in here you just click on the clip, and then in here you just click on the animation. And after this, in here you can click on the combo animation, click on it, and after this, in here you can swipe until you can see right zoom effect. This is the right zoom animation, so you just click on it, and after this, in here you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add right zoom effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.